G'day, this is a quick video on downloading Handbrake for macOS X and converting one video. First we're going to open up our browser, in this case Safari, type in Handbrake. In this case it's automatically completed it for me, handbrake.fr, so I can just click that one. I'm going to click to download Handbrake 173. If I wanted to download it for another platform such as Windows or Linux, I could click the other platform and save it to a USB drive and copy it over that way. Since it knows I'm on a Mac, it's selecting me the download for macOS X. That's going to go and automatically download into my downloads folder. It's only a 40 megabyte file. Right, so that's completed. I'm going to click the little magnifying glass so that it opens up Finder. Here we have Handbrake 173.dmg. So it's a disk image. So when I open up this, it's like attaching a USB thumb drive to your laptop computer. So DMG is similar to a thumb drive, but within a file itself. So it allows you to put different files into one collection of files. So I'll double click that to open it. And we've opened up our extra file system, similar to a thumb drive. Now I've got Handbrake, so I need to copy this across to applications. So if I double click that Handbrake there, it's going to stay within the thumb drive, so to speak. And then when I close my Mac down or eject it, Handbrake will disappear from my system. So if you only need to use Handbrake once, all good. You can simply open it from here. But since I want to use Handbrake many times, I want to download it to my applications folder. So I can drag it across to applications, and it's going to copy across. Done. So now that's in applications. If I go to H for Handbrake, there's Handbrake. It's in my applications folder, and I can use it from now on. If I go down here on the left, you'll see Handbrake 173. The thumb drive-like file system is still there, and I can go and eject it, which will remove it as a file system. And then if I go back to downloads, I can now remove the DMG image. It's no longer needed. I've copied it to my applications. Okay, so it's on my hard drive. We can just do Spotlight to go open up Handbrake. I can go open up a folder. Here's some things I've been doing earlier. .move file. And I want to save it as an MP4. And so I can just go Start. Since I'm just going to overwrite the one that's already there. And off it goes. It's encoding and converting my .mov file that I exported out of Apple Photos as a movie from my iPhone into a .mp4 container that I can now use on sites that only expect an MP4. All done.